Being a data analyst in 2025 isn't just about knowing SQL or Excel. It's about using AI to supercharge your workflow. And no, I'm not talking about replacing your job. I'm talking about enhancing it. Let me show you the 3 AI tools that have become absolute game changers for me and every analyst should be using them. First up, Chat. Think of it as your on-demand assistant for queries, code, and client communication. I use it to write Python scripts, clean messy data, even explain complex metrics in plain English for stakeholders. The best part, it saves me hours of Googling and trial and error. I even prompt it to simulate stakeholder questions so I'm always ready. Second, MonkeyLearn. This AI tool helps me do text analysis without writing heavy NLP code. I've used it to categorize thousands of customer feedback lines and instantly extract themes and sentiment. What used to take days now takes minutes. It's drag and drop magic for unstructured data. Third, Tableau Pulse or Power by Copilot. AI built right into the dashboards. You ask questions like, why did sales drop last week? And it gives you insights automatically. It makes dashboard reviews faster, sharper, and smarter, perfect for those last-minute meetings. Here's the truth. Analysts who use AI don't just survive. They outperform. These tools don't replace your skills, they amplify them. So if you're still doing everything manually, you're already falling behind. Add these to your stack and you'll not only work faster, you'll look 10x smarter in front of your team. Now you might be wondering, how do I get started with this AI stuff? Well, I've got some more videos that can help you with that. Just search for more data analyst tips. And hey, before you go, if you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more. It's totally free and you can always change your mind later. Thanks for watching.